Get ready, word explorers. Today we're unlocking a mystery word that makes your brain even stronger. It's time for another adventure on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is investigation. Can you say it out loud? Investigation. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? I-N-V-E-S-T-I-G-A-T-I-O-N. That spells investigation. Great job. Investigation means the act of looking into something to learn more. Let's break that down. It's all about asking questions, exploring clues, and figuring out answers in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as investigation. Say it with me. Inquiry, exploration, examination, research, inspection, study, analysis. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more meaning to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of investigation. Neglect, disinterest, ignorance, avoidance, carelessness, oversight. Pause here and review the antonyms, so you know what investigation is not. Here's a great example. Sofia started an investigation to find out who left the mystery note. Let's review. Investigation means the act of looking into something to learn more. Synonyms: inquiry, exploration, examination, research, inspection, study, analysis. Antonyms: neglect, disinterest, ignorance, avoidance, carelessness, oversight. Every time you use the word investigation, you're training your brain to think like a real detective. Keep practicing. Your words are your superpowers. Here's your challenge. Be a word detective. Use investigation in a sentence with your family, friends, or even your teacher. Show them how smart you are with your new word. Big words open big doors. Investigation helps you ask questions, solve puzzles, and discover new things about the world. And remember, you're already doing amazing. Keep shining, word explorers. You're learning, growing, and making your brain unstoppable. I'll see you tomorrow with another word to power up your adventures.